Hi, good evening, Gilbert.
Evening.
Hello, how are you?
Uh, I guess I could say good and not good.
Why?
Uh, Workload.
Oh, workload, school workload. So many
Yeah,
homework today, or
too,
is there any compulsory activity?
too many information that I have to actually ingest to my.
Uh, Sorry, I couldn't catch that. What did you say?
There's too much information that I have to ingest.
Uh, what, what, what kind of informations? Is
Uh,
there any new subject in your schools or?
oh no, I meant like since I joined a club, the I'm one of the members the of the hierarchy, I guess I could say.
What the club? What the club's name? Sorry.
German class and Japanese class is not that.
Ah, okay. Wow, super cool. Why are you interested in Japanese?
Uh, since since I'm taking a Japanese foreign language.
Okay. So do you have any plan to continue your study maybe in Japan later
Yeah.
or just patience?
Yeah. I'm planning to go to Japan for a scholarship.
Okay. Wait, which grade are you in right now?
Then I already have to actually think about a scholarship now.
Junior. No, not yet junior high school, yeah. It's already senior high school, yeah.
Yeah.
First year.
Better
Okay.
be.
So,
Or
mm, good luck for that. And we will continue our lesson, yeah. Gilbert, so we already learned about last week. Yeah, we already learned about modules. Today, we'll continue our lessons, which is about team hackathon.
okay.
So, have you ever heard about hackathon before?
No, actually.
No, actually. Okay. So, it's one of the competitions. For example, maybe in your schools there is competitions called FLS 2N or 2SN. Are you familiar with that terms? With
No,
that competitions?
no. I only even though even though I'm in my school, I haven't even heard any competition about that. I only know some Olympic competition.
Okay. I think it's quite good if you consider the competitions. Yeah? It could boost your profile for the scholarship later.
Yeah,
Okay.
I I want to actually see what competition that I could join, but to be honest, there is none at the moment. But
Okay.
there is gonna be a Olim Informatica later on.
Okay, okay, really cool. Or actually, if you want to participate in any kind of competitions, you can search through Instagram. There's a lot of competition in there. Maybe you already confident with your Japanese skills. You can search in Instagrams like Japanese competition for senior high schools Indonesia atau lomba Jepang SMA. Nah, you'll find the competitions.
There is actually one. My sensei already told me. My sensei
Hmm.
already like announced it in the group.
Hmm.
The
Okay.
there
Hmm.
is Olim Japanese Olim class. Japanese Olim competition.
Okay. So yeah, consider to join that competitions. I mean to compete in that competitions.
Okay.
Cool. Nah, so same with the programming skills. Okay, and here we need also a team. Yeah, so hackathon is like the competitions in programming. So you need to create your own apps within uh, small durations. For example, you must create applications that within a day, within 12 hours, or etc. Yeah. So why does team development prevail in the IT sphere, Gilbert?
Uh, I don't know. Is it because of the code?
Yes. Actually, when we are talking about team development, uh, it's the same. It's totally the same with the schools one. Okay, like you create your own group for each for maybe several subjects, and your friend and you need to finish tasks uh, within group. Okay, so for example, similar with programming as well. Okay, so you need to create a team, and then you will create the whole program complete gitu ya. Jadi kita pasti butuh yang namanya tim karena nanti dalam satu aplikasi itu ada satu role-nya masing-masing. Misal, oh dalam aplikasi ini nanti Gilbert yang jadi programmer ya. Terus nanti mungkin temannya Gilbert yang jadi QA, quality assurance ya, atau desain itu juga bisa. Oke. Nah, nanti kita akan coba ngebuat mind map untuk planning dari projectnya. Jadi mind mapnya ini bebas. Pernah lihat mind map? Have you ever seen mind map before?
Not at all, to be honest.
I think you can see it. I don't know ya. In my class there was organigram ya, or organization hierarchical hierarchical. Ya jadi kayak organigram gitu. Ada ketua, sekretaris, bendahara. Masih ada nggak di kelas kamu?
Yes. In my club, I am the secretary.
Yeah, I mean the diagram. Have you ever seen the diagram? Like your name written in the top, and then the rest, yeah, will follow in the bottom.
Yes, I have seen that one before.
So to create our mind map as well ya. It just same like the organigram
Mm.
gitu. Sama kayak checklist. Jadi biasanya kalau kita ngerjain project itu kan kita mind map ini ngasih tahu kan kita bekerja dalam tim, terus kita nggak tahu mau mengerjakan apa. Maksudnya semua orang itu punya idenya masing-masing. Makanya kita perlu tulisin, kita petain ya, mana yang kita perlu kerjain duluan. Kita sama juga si checklist ini, ya. Oke. Nah biasanya kalau misalnya hackathon, ya sama ya, dia juga ada timingnya Gilbert, terus nanti ada organizernya siapa, tuh, ya.
Okay.
Oke, ya paling itu aja. Sip, Gilbert, do you have any questions?
Wait. What is the name of the code again? I only
Hmm?
remember. I only remember how to code in Java. Because uh, wait. I meant like this. I forgot the code in Python, but I remember it in Java since in my school since in my school I am learning three languages at once.
Hmm. And what the language are?
Python, Python, Java, and C++.
Wow. What's the name of your school?
IGS.
Sorry?
IGS.
Pujias. Could you type it? Ah, IGS Senior High Schools. SMA.
You
SMA
can
di mana?
Palembang.
Oh, so it's one of the international schools, or?
National, but have some international certificate.
Okay.
To be
Oh,
honest,
wow, really?
to be
Hmm?
honest, some is a not good word for it. Is more like a lot. for international certificate.
Okay.
There is a CTs, there's IELTS, there's almost all the foreign language. A certificate is almost the main center test for Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, Korea. Wait, no, Korea is still in on the way. Hey, French and German, and there,
Ah,
and there is AP Calculus, AP Computer Science and Principles, and A, and yeah, there's a lot. I there's a lot since and well, ah, sorry. Uh, there is a lot of things that they have that I cannot even remember what they are.
oh, okay. Okay. Really cool. Really cool. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean the programming language is just a language, yeah. Yeah, at least if you learn one, for example, Python, that means if you want to convert it to Java or to C++, it's the same for the logical thinking. Okay, for the syntax, uh, yeah, apa, it's really different. Okay, but for the logic, it's the same. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any questions? Any other questions?
Uh, Usually, if we work in a team that we usually have like this code, right? I that is in Java. That is a comment code, if I remember.
Ah, okay. Yeah, sure. Right.
Do they usually use that or no? Like,
Sorry.
do they use
The huh?
do they usually use the comment code like that?
Comment code? Oh, what do you mean by comment code?
I kind of forgot what the that how do you change it into a comment?
Oh, komentar.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I think in Python you use hashtag.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I forgot.
Uh, in Python we are using hashtag, yeah, or quotations, triple quotations. Yeah, and then the rest of your comment will be in here. Now for the hashtags, it will be in the on the right side. Yeah.
Yeah, forgot the I kind of forgot the what is it? The functions. Wait, the symbols for the comment one. Since
Hmm.
since I usually just use Java most of the time because of the school.
Okay. Yeah. You need to use the hashtag, yeah, or the quotations, triple quotations.
Okay.
It will be a comment like that.
Oh, sorry for okay.
Okay. Now we'll create our hackathon competitions. So you can share your screen, yeah, Gilbert.
Wait, let me why
Please
why is
change
it
this code. What is that?
oh no, there's the comment code in Java. I kind of
Ah, okay.
wait, let me I was searching at Shopee for a moment. Sorry. I haven't prepared the tab yet since why oh, sorry. What's my name? Right? Okay.
Okay. Open
Done,
the
sir.
course, yeah. Gilbert. Open the course. Now you can open the number 7, yeah.
Okay. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is kind of laggy a little bit.
Yeah, no problems.
Do I have to see this?
Eh, kenapa dia jadi gitu? Ini kayaknya karena hitam putih deh. Apa? Dark mode. Jadi, okay. So, because in this lessons we'll create our projects, yeah, Gilbert. So there are two options. Nah, I already create the project that called rock paper scissors. It's one of the games. But if you want to create your own projects, it's also allowed. Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, I will share my screen first to you. So this is the game rock paper scissors that I meant. Wait a minute. Wait a minute ya. Nah, here it is the example of the project. So you can create your own projects, yeah. But um, since we need to finish it in our live lessons, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I already code the example projects. Nah, for example, ini bakal ngasih tahu game gunting kertas batu. Jadi nanti kamu perlu pilih ya dari 1 sama 2 3 gitu ya. Kalau misalnya kita pilih batu, nanti akan muncul nih robotnya, chatbotnya. Dia nanti akan milih, oh dia kertas. Nah, batu, kita pilih batu lawan kertas. Nah, berarti kita yang apa? Kita menang apa kalah?
Uh,
Kalah, betul. Makanya nanti skornya 1 itu buat si komputer. Ya. Tapi kalau misalnya kita pilih kertas, nah kertas-kertas tetap ya skornya. Kita pilih batu lagi, batu-batu masih sama. Gunting, nah gunting lawan batu masih komputer yang menang. Dari skor 1 jadi 2. Ya,
wait. How can you do the randomizer?
sorry, what?
How can you how can Sir do the randomizer?
Nah, yes. As you can see in these programs, there's no random. Yeah, if you still remember about random, we can use random to create a integer random number. Yeah,
Yeah.
ranging from X to Y. Nah, so we'll create two modules. Yeah, the two modules there are analyze winning and also computer random. Nah, so if the in the analyze winning, you'll create your own functions, which is tell you about the winning or losing the competitions, or winning the losing and on the game. Yeah, and then for the second one or for the last one, it will be the uh, computer random. Nah, jadi nanti di dalam sini akan ada fungsi get random, dapetin random, ya. Nanti kita rubah yang satu itu jadi gunting, 2 batu 3 kertas. Oke, tinggal nanti kita panggil aja ke dalam program utama, ya. Coba boleh dilihat dulu, Gilbert. Ada pertanyaan dulu?
Huh? No.
No questions ya. Dari Gilbert ingin membuat program sendiri apa? Kita akan membuat game gunting kertas batu.
Probably rock paper scissors first, since I don't know what game I could make with the information for a while.
Okay, so you can share your screen again ya. We'll create by organizing the mind map ya.
Okay.
Nah, jadi nanti kita kasih namanya aja. Wait, bentar. Ini ada contohnya juga.
Wait, how many can I make? Wait, how many can I make?
It's unlimited.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me delete. ke to the two, to the second or to the first step?
Jadi nomor satu itu mind map, nomor duanya checklist. Ya,
Oh,
sebenarnya untuk yang nomor satu kita buat yang sederhana aja. Jadi you can see in the pictures. I will send it to you. That is for the mind map, and
yeah.
this one for the checklist. Yeah, it's actually depend on you. What kind of planning do you want to make? Yeah. So just for example, like in the pictures. Okay. So you can do. I mean, you can follow in the picture.
Okay. Wait, let me put it in first. It's kind of that.
You can see the image, yeah,
Oh,
Gilbert.
yes, I could see the image. Wait,
Okay. So you can make it. If you
wait.
want to edit, you can double click, yeah. Save. Click, click, and then the text will change.
Okay. No, I'm just gonna use manual. Wait, can I make a gambling in game?
Gambling thing game. Oke. Tapi kalau udah kebayang programnya dan akan selesai uh, within berapa berarti? 35 menit? Boleh.
Okay, I guess I'll just think of it like what did it? This since it's still the same as the as the Hompimpa, that one is kind of that random. Or random. Oops. Oh, random. Is is the
Ya,
randomizer code works for like oh, is the randomizer code work for like a game, a RPG based game?
PC games. Sorry.
Or is does the code works for RPG games like Honkai Star or something?
Yeah, it is. It is works.
It is interesting. Thanks. Thank you for the information, sir. I am done. Is it this? Is the they go here, sir?
Bukan. Kalau udah kita kembali ya. Kita mau ke laboratori. Kita akan buat project-projectnya. Jadi kita akan bikin gunting kertas batu ya. So, kamu bisa create project yang pertama. Mhm. Kamu klik Python. Oke, diklik Python ya. Nah, terus untuk yang pertama kita akan buat dulu namanya itu adalah bentar. Computer random ya. Computer underscore random. Hurufnya kecil semua aja.
I'm
Hmm, Oke, sip. Nah, jadi kamu scroll lagi ke bawah. Kita akan edit dulu. Nah, itu project. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau membuat yang eh, computer random, ini beneran nanti akan kita dapetin angka acak dan bebas nih, apakah dia gunting, kertas, atau batu. Berarti dari Gilbert nanti bisa buat seperti ini.
oops.
Ya, import random, terus kita bikin fungsi get random, sama kita tinggal bikin conditionalnya. Ya, mau diganti boleh ya jadi scissors gitu.
Okay, let me copy the code first.
Oke,
Sorry.
if you have any questions about the code, please ask me ya.
Okay, sir. The gambling is probably kind of easy to make.
Gambling.
Yeah, I could actually say it's kind of easy.
Okay, maybe after this game ya, we'll create our gambling later. Nggak usah, ini udah kok, udah di save. Jadi kamu
Okay.
cancel aja. Nah ini tinggal diganti aja. Kalau misalnya mau eh, apa jadi bahasa Inggris,
Let me check out.
nggak bisa ya. Yang nomor satu itu scissors, nomor dua itu baru rock, nomor tiga itu baru paper. Ya,
Oh, I forgot how to write zippers.
Mhm. Nah oke, boleh kamu play dulu ya, lihat ada yang merah atau enggak. Aman ya. Nah ini udah auto save, jadi boleh kembali lagi. Kita akan coba mengerjakan yang lainnya, tambahannya.
Which one?
Kita bikin project
Main.
baru lagi. Nah, nama project barunya adalah em, Analyze Winning ya. Analyze underscore winning. Huruf kecil aja.
Nice winning.
Oke. Klik OK. Nah, di Analyze Winning itu ada apa? Analyze Winning ini nanti kita akan ada satu fungsi lagi namanya is winning. Ya, jadi nanti ngebanding-bandingin lagi nih, Gilbert.
Oops, I forgot. I'm kind of lazy to type. How many was that one? Six. Okay, so that's
Sorry.
there is this code is kind of long. Okay,
Finish.
I think so.
Return none ya.
Oh wait, oops, I forgot to type that.
Ini dihapus aja nih yang baris 6 sampai 7. Pakai elif ya, Gilbert. Sisanya 6 7-nya hapus dulu coba.
I forgot. Wait.
Oke, boleh di play dulu.
Wait, huh?
Berarti handphone.
Wait, what is the
Coba
button?
play lagi.
What is the button? Return 4. Oops. Oops, I forgot.
Udah?
Yeah.
Oke, boleh di play dulu ya.
Huh? That was wrong. Sir. Susah.
Sudah? Gak ada yang merah ya? Kalau nggak ada,
Yes.
kita
Okay.
buat project yang baru, Gilbert.
Okay.
Namanya my underscore f ya.
I underscore what? F.
F. Hmm.
Uh, my underscore apps. Oops. My underscore apps.
Ya, sudah. Nah, berarti kita tinggal import dulu ya, Gilbert.
Okay.
Tadi namanya apa?
Uh, compute random computers.
Random computer sama analyze meaning ya.
Analyze what? Okay.
Analyze underscore winning. Coba dibuka lagi.
Analyze winnings and computer random. Yeah. Computer random and analyze winnings.
Sudah? Ah, hilang. Diimport lagi ya.
Computer. Is it computer random or computer nice? Sir, where are you going?
Namanya computer
Yes.
random analyze winning. Oke. Terus sama import random aja ya. Udah bener. Computer random sama analyze winning. Oh, nulisnya bener gak kayak gitu? Coba lihat nama filenya apa. N-nya 1 ya.
Wait.
Diklik tombol save. Iya bener-bener yang itu.
Wait.
Kalau mau dirubah namanya.
I want to copy the module. That should be. Yep.
Kayak berhasil ya. Tinggal kita import random satu lagi. Nah,
Wait.
ntar dari Gilbert berarti tinggal kita buat aja ini tampilan dari awal menu utamanya ya. Jadi Gilbert bisa buat seperti ini.
Is it? Wait.
Nah,
Is it?
kita buat dulu skornya, baru buat input.
I'm just gonna put computer for the placeholder for a moment.
Kenapa?
Nah. Or you can just lower down your voice. Hey, wait. Sorry, I was talking to my little sister. Wait. Can I just say rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Boleh.
I forgot how to write that. Huh? Oh, this is for graph. Oh, okay.
Jadi slash itu ngasih garis baru ya.
Scissors. How do you spell scissors again? Scissors slash. Slash I need to. Nih, kecilkan suaranya nih.
Sudah?
Wait. Oh, it's N.
Yang 4 nggak ada ya. Nah, sip. Kita tinggal buat inputnya aja.
Wait, I forgot how to say choose.
Nah, kalau sudah, nanti kita tinggal buat aja looping gamenya ya.
Okay.
Nah, jadi nanti eh dari Gilbert, bisa kita jalankan aja programnya seperti ini nanti. Ya, jadi kita bikin ya, selama counternya atau winernya itu tidak sama dengan nol, nanti kita akan coba menjalankan programnya gitu. Ya. While action tidak sama dengan nol, gitu.
Analyze.
Kalau ada pertanyaan, tanyain ya.
Okay, sir.
Nah, berikutnya, berarti tinggal kita kasih else ya. Kalau enggak, berarti dia akan ngasih tahu seri dan disuruh ulang lagi. Ya, berarti else titik dua print aja langsung di bawah ya. Nah, kayak gini. Oke, kalau sudah, berarti dari Gilbert tinggal buat aja program untuk ngasih tahu berapa skor masing-masing player. Ya, coba jalankan dulu.
Okay.
Nah, modul objek has no attribute radian. Randin ya, Randin, random.
Oh,
Tapi itu di beda file. Buka project yang komputer random ya. Coba buka dulu.
uh, it's usually I ready
Tadi radian ya. Kita ganti harusnya jadi randin.
for this one.
Iya di situ bener. Into project dulu. Eh,
Sorry,
oh analyze winning itu
I
ya. Komputer random ya. Nah, randin ya, bukan radian. Randin.
uh
Randint.
yeah, Randin.
Randin. Itu Radin. Ada N-nya. Randin.
Run it, I guess.
Nah, ini di play lagi. Sip, udah balik lagi ke yang awal tadi. Coba buka lagi project yang tadi ya. Mm-mm. Nah, oke ya. Belum ada apa-apa ya, karena kita baru simpan dalam variabel doang. Nah, sekarang kita akan coba buat dulu hasil dari gamenya gimana ya. Berarti dari Gilbert bisa buat langsung aja kayak gini. Print-print doang ya. Itu dikasih tab. Eh, sorry, nggak usah bener. Kasih kasih tab. Dia di bawah else.
This.
Betul.
Now I am back to Chicago. I feel it.
Nah, untuk input yang kedua ini, nanti kamu copy paste aja ya. Yang input ini nih. Copy paste dari mana? Dari baris 8.
Okay, sir. Voice in.
Copy paste aja boleh. Yes. Actionnya tetap ada. Sip, betul. Tinggal print yang terakhir ya. Thank you for playing the game.
Wait, can I actually change my keyboard? Is already available? No, it's still not. Wait, what? Huh? What? Wait,
Bad input. Baris 22. Heeh.
let me check. So bad. Oh,
Eh,
oh, wait,
hmm,
I found it. I found it. In,
bukan gitu
huh?
deh kayaknya.
Huh? In object have not interviewed to conversion.
Has not reboot conversion.
Huh? Wait, huh?
Namanya conversion bukan? Dari yang ini nih.
Conversion. Huh? Wait, huh? Wait,
Bentar.
wait.
Ini komputer random ya, Gilbert. Bukan player score. Player score di bawahnya.
Oh, wait. Oh, oops, sorry.
Mm-mm. Itu komputer random.
It should be. Okay.
Nah, ya. Oke, coba di-review dulu semua codingannya. Dan kalau ada pertanyaan, please ask me the questions.
Wait, huh? They are press three. I guess I'm.
Harus
Yeah,
dimasukin angkanya ya. Kalau kamu nggak ketik angkanya, dia nanti jadi error. Nah, ini error nih, karena nggak kamu ketik.
I I think I actually gone too fast clicking it.
Kamu nambahnya 9 di sini ya. Jadi dia langsung kelipatan 9. Oke? Sip. Do you have any questions?
Uh, no.
Not
Actually,
yet ya, so far ya. Oke, kalau belum ada, boleh coba-cobain dulu. Nanti coba dilihat dulu ya. Ada pertanyaan dulu atau belum?
well, I actually do this.
Nah,
Yes.
minus ya. Karena kita jadinya membuat programnya minus sama dengan 30. Oke, kalau sudah, boleh diklik bentar.
This time just
Kembali ya. Klik
oh,
kembali. Terus kita akan coba share ya. Jadi ini bisa di-share, kamu scroll ke bawah,
which one? This one? Okay.
terus dibuka. Nah, ini description publication.
The community or the class?
Boleh diganti dulu namanya udah itu aja. Eh, Share, diklik tombol share.
Okay.
Nah, terus copy link, terus paste dan kirimin coba lewat WhatsApp. Atau lewat chat Zoom ini aja. Nah, sip. Thank you. Jadi nanti kalau linknya diklik itu gampang ya buat ngebuka projectnya Gilbert.
Okay.
Oke, ada pertanyaan dulu?
Nothing. Not yet.
Belum ada ya? Kalau so far belum ada. Jadi untuk modul 3 kita udah beres untuk ngebikin projectnya juga dan juga tim development. Ntar kita akan masuk ke dalam modul 4 ya, which is more interesting karena nanti akan belajar mengenai data structures. Oke, that's it Gilbert untuk kelas malam hari ini. And dari kamu kalau nggak ada pertanyaan kita tutup. Bye bye Gilbert.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good
Thank
night.
you Gilbert.